welcome back to my channel. So firstly, let me apologise about the lighting. The light I normally use, so my ring light has broken and I'm waiting for the new one to turn up. So I'm working with the best I've got right now. The window is in the corner of the room, which never brings any light into this room, especially as we're in the middle of October now. The weather is crap. So it's like really dark and grey outside as well. So that's not helping. I do have a daylight bulb on. That's right above me. So that's the main source of light right now. So I do apologise. Anyway, moving on, before I go into a full-on rant about lighting. This video is about how I got this makeup look, which is this pumpkin spice spiderweb kind of eye look. And it's very easy and really simple to do. Like I always say, all the products I've used are vegan and cruelty free, and I'm not a makeup artist. I just like to play with makeup and express myself using it. I don't really know what I'm doing, so this is just how I do it. If you want to see, then keep watching. Okay, so using the KVD Beauty palette and shades Martyr as a transition shade, just going to put this on like above the crease on my eyelid, just to give us something to work with and blend with the other colours later on. So I'm just using a big old fluffy brush for this. This is a Friends Revolution one. So the next shade is the one next to the Martyr, which is the Devil, which is this orange shade. I'm just going to use a smaller fluffy brush and put that on the outer corner and the inner corner of my eyes, and taking it through the crease to give it like a circled shape. Just doing that on both sides, using a little bit of product each time so I can build it up rather than going in with too much and making a huge mess. And then just taking that and blowing it out down on the lower lash line as well to make a complete shape. And blending, and then going back in, no extra product on this, it's going in with that fluffy brush and blending it all in together. So the next shade we're going to use on this smaller flat brush, which I've sprayed with setting spray, is the shade Relic, which is this like sparkly yellow shade. And I'm just going to put that on in the centre of my eyes, taking it up to the crease line but not onto the crease, and again on the lower lash line as well, blending it in to that Devil orange shade. Going back in with the brush I used for the Devil with no extra product on it and doing that. Then I'm using the KVD Beauty Cake Pencil and just going over my waterlines, looking like a little demon on the lower and the upper waterlines. The KVD Tattoo Liner, just going to put some everyday plain old simple wing liner on. I'm sorry, I've really got a cold as well at the moment. So just getting those winged liners going. For some reason it took me forever today. Normally I can do it really quickly. And this is where the fun begins. So what you're going to do is take that eyeliner and draw 2 extra lines on either side, slightly bending it towards where the other one is as well, like the one above it. And then join them up by using little semicircles. And that will give you that spider web shape. Generally helps if you've got like a eyeliner that's not running out and going dry. This was a nightmare to try and do because mine is drying out. I need to go buy a new one. So then this is the MEMI Lash to Lash Mascara. I can't pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try. Putting that on my lashes and my lower lashes as well. And then because I'm such a mucky pup when it comes to putting on mascara, I'm going to go back in with that little brush and just blend the mess out, blend out the mess that I made. Using the Eylure Dramatic 126 eyelashes. I did pre-glue these before I started filming, so that's why. And please don't do what I did and put it in my mouth to hold it. I do actually have a tool that helps you put them on, but I've lost it, so fingers it was. Just checking that they are on there. Then I'm going to go in with the Sugarpill Liquid Lip in the shade Pumpkin Spice. This is discontinued and I'm gutted. It's a few years old and this one is almost run out. And I'm trying to use it sparingly. And this is the finished look. So thank you for watching. Again, I am sorry, so sorry about the lighting. I'm trying my hardest. Hoping my new light turns up because I've got loads of content that I really want to film and this isn't working for me. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up if you like this makeup look. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it or what makeup look you think I should try next. If you do try it, tag me on Instagram at missdaneefaith because I would really love to see. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and I will see you on the next one.